Welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shay, and I'm back with another video. Y'all excuse me if my energy is on 100. I am so excited to be here today doing this video. This video is highly requested. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first and foremost, I just want to say thank you to everybody who showed so much love and so much support on the last video. It really motivated me, y'all. I appreciate it. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up, y'all? Make sure to turn on your post notifications so you receive a notification, a little ding, whenever I drop a new video. So y'all, today's video is actually a highly requested video. I feel like the next couple of videos that I do are all going to be highly requested because I'm doing what y'all asked. So today's video is actually going to be a makeup tutorial. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my everyday glam look. I know a lot of you guys are always in my DMs asking me what products I use. How do I achieve like a glowy kind of look? So before we get into the video today, I have a couple of disclaimers. First disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. I just do what works for me. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind. If you see like the way I do a certain technique is not like how, oh, it's not supposed to be done like this. I'm just doing what works for me, y'all. Second disclaimer, what I use and what products I use and what routine I do may not be necessarily what you use or what should be in your routine. So just keep that in mind when you're watching my video. I'm just giving you guys an insight into how I achieve my makeup look. So let's get right into the video. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I have a bare face. Bare but beautiful. Don't get it twisted. So first things first, so I actually don't have any product on my face. My face is very, very, very dry. So first things first, I like to go in with my eyebrows. So when I'm doing my eyebrows, I like to kind of just set them just a little bit. So I'm going to be setting them with my Mercier pressed setting powder, and I'm the shade Translucent Medium. Well, I'm using the shade Translucent Medium Deep. So I like to just take a little bit and apply it on my eyebrow. Not too much, just a little bit. So applying this helps with oily eyebrows, and since I have kind of oily, I would say like oily combination skin, my eyebrows can tend to get a little oily. So once I apply that, I like to just go right into it with my eyebrow pencil. So I'm just going to be using, to start, my Beauty Supply eyebrow pencil. And for this, I'm the shade Dark Brown. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. So a tip that I have for you guys, never start your eyebrow like at the very beginning, because you don't want your eyebrow to look like boxy. You kind of want like that natural like halo kind of vibe for your eyebrow. So you want to kind of just start it like right here. This is where I started. Y'all, so I just follow the natural my natural eyebrow line. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing on the top. So remember, you don't want to start like at the very beginning. Kind of just give it like the same start place. So I'm just going to fill them in, y'all, now that I have outlined them. I'm just going to fill them in. So yeah, now that my eyebrows are all filled in, I like to just go in with my Anastasia duo brush, and I'm going to be going in with the spoolie side to kind of just clean them up. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to be using the same dual brush but with the angled brush side. So how y'all been? What y'all up to? I've been good. So y'all, I like to just kind of repeat the same step, follow the natural line of my eyebrows, but I prefer to use the Dipbrow because the Dipbrow is kind of, it gives me more definition in my eyebrows rather than just the pencil. So I'm going to be using the Dipbrow. So the next step that we're going to do is that we're going to go in and clean up our eyebrows with our concealer, and I'm going to be using my MAC NW45. And I'm just going to be going in with this brush, just like a flat brush. I don't know where I got this brush from. So a tip when you apply your concealer, I like to just apply it straight across instead of like applying it like this. I don't know if y'all know what I mean, but I'll show you. Now that my eyebrows are concealed, as y'all can see, I'm just going to take my Real Techniques Expert Concealer brush, and I like to blend down and then blend out. So blending down like this, once I've blended down everywhere where I've applied the concealer, then I like to blend out. So blend, this is just my preference, so blend down and then blend out. So now that our eyebrows are done, the hardest part for me when I'm doing my eyebrows is not going over them over and over and over. My eyebrows are my favorite part on my face, so it's really hard for me to like just not like spend 45 minutes on just my eyebrows. But I need to remember that my eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Meaning, y'all, that they don't have to be identical. They're sisters, they're not identical twins. Y'all get it? Y'all get it? So the next thing I like to do with my eyebrow step, is go in with my eyebrow gel. So I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia eyebrow gel, and it's actually the same shade as my Dipbrow, obviously, because you don't want to have two different shades. So it looks like a little mascara, and you just brush it over your eyebrows. Like, it just gives my eyebrows like that look, like, you know, that fleek look. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to be going in with my primer. This is the POREfessional Matte Rescue by Benefit. This is my favorite primer, y'all. It's like a mattifying primer. It's the best thing ever. So now that my primer is all in, we're going to be going in with our foundation. So for today's video, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Velvety I Am Magic foundation. I am the shade To Go 210 in this foundation. This foundation is so full coverage. Extreme full coverage. This is what it looks like. So full coverage, guys. So I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to be applying the foundation. So now I'm about to blend this out with my Real Techniques complexion. I don't know what this is called. It's like a big Real Techniques beauty blender. It's like a body sponge, I believe is what. So next we're going to go in with our concealer. And then let us blend. So our concealer is all blended out. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is setting my face with my Mercier pressed setting powder. So I'm just going to set everywhere that I just highlighted. So while I let that just set in and bake, I like to just go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. So I like to just go in with a little bit of contour. So I'm just going to be taking my Real Techniques big fluffy face brush. Oh, just kidding. The name is powder brush. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me. Any kind of finishing powder. And I'm just going to be like wiping, especially where I just applied all my setting powder. I believe for me, this is what helps me not have an ashy flashback. So then I just like to apply my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. This is the long lasting one. It's supposed to have up to a 16-hour wear. I don't know that I would ever leave it on that long, but this definitely does help me stay together throughout the day. So I'm just going to be spraying this all over my face. Alright, y'all, so now that everything is where it's supposed to be, we're going to go in with some bronzer, and this is the Revolution Pro Skin Finish Golden Glare. And this is what it looks like, guys. So pretty, right? Oh, I know. So I'm going to just be taking my Real Techniques brush and kind of applying my bronzer. I really just apply bronzer everywhere. So then I like to just go in with like a small brush. And I like to apply some of this to right here under my brow. I just love like the look and the way it kind of just illuminates the brow. I'm going to be going in with some mascara before I apply my lashes. So I'm going to be going in first with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So once I'm done with that, I just let them dry a little bit before I go in with my lashes. So for my lashes, guys, I love to use my lash tweezers that I got from like Eye Envy. I can apply them with my hands, but I feel like this just gives me a lot more precision. The lashes that I mostly wear is going to be this brand, Mink 3D Hair. I get this from a warehouse in Miami, and I just buy them in bulk. I like to just go in and apply my eyelashes. So these are going to be the lashes I'm using today. The best lash glue ever. Debate your mama, not me. So my lashes are on. So now I'm just going to be applying some mascara to my bottom lash. Our face is done, so we're going to go ahead and do our lips. I'm going to be going in with my NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Club Hopper. And my lips are dry, guys. I make sure like I dry them out. So I'm just going to be lining my lips. So then, guys, I'm going to be going in with my NYX Butter Gloss. This duo right here, guys, unmatched. You hear me? Unmatched. Now that I'm done with the lip combo, I like to just give myself one final spray. Okay, I lied, maybe 3. So y'all, this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making it for you guys. This is my go-to glam look. So comment down below what other videos you guys want me to do for you, what other makeup tutorials you guys want me to show. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, comment, and share this video. I'll put all my social media down below so you guys can stay connected with me, and make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you know whenever I drop a new video. So that pretty much sums it up, babes. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay blessed and stay beautiful.